I believe like instructors are really important on not just educating, but also making sure you become the best technician that you could be. The practices I took from the school, I applied it to my workplace. Not just be a good technician, but a good employee.
This is not just a school to attend, it's a life-altering event. I truly believe we do so many things very well here at the school in training and preparing our students for the future employment opportunities. I truly believe that's why we get so many calls from industry professionals looking for our students to hire, because we do so many things well.
They're focused on student success. We're actually learning about newer vehicles and things that are actually on the road right now so that we're up to speed on what we'll actually be facing when we go into the workplace.
If you're interested in this career, I can't think of a better place to be than right here at GTCC for your automotive service technology experience.